Once upon a time, there was a king. One day he called all of his wise men and asked him, is there a mantra or suggestion which works in every situation, in every circumstance, in every place and in every time? Something which can help me when none of you is available to advise me. Tell me, is there any such mantra? So all these wise men got really puzzled by king's question. One answer for all questions? Something that works everywhere, in every situation, in every joy, every sorrow, every defeat and every victory? They thought and thought. After a lengthy discussion, an old man suggested something which appealed to all of them. They went to the king and gave him something written on a paper. But the condition was that the king was not to see it out of curiosity. Only in extreme danger, when the king finds himself alone and there seems to be no way, only then he'll have to see it. The king put the paper under his diamond ring. And after a few days, the neighbors attacked the kingdom. It was a collective surprise attack of all the king's enemies. King and his army fought bravely but lost the battle. King had to flee on his horse. The enemies were following him. His horse took him far away in the jungle. He could hear many troops of horses following him, and the noise was coming closer and closer. Suddenly the king found himself standing at the end of the road. That road was going nowhere. Underneath there was a rocky valley, 1,000 feet deep. If he jumped into it, he would be finished. And he could not return because it was a small road. The sound of enemies' horses was approaching fast. King became restless. There seemed to be no way. Then suddenly he saw the diamond in his ring shining in the sun. And he remembered the message hidden in the ring. He opened the diamond and read the message. The message was very small but very interesting. The message was, this too will pass. The king read it, again read it, and suddenly something struck him. Yes, it too will pass. Only a few days ago, I was enjoying my kingdom. I was the mightiest of all the kings. Yet today, the kingdom and all his pleasures are gone. I am here trying to escape from enemies. However, when those days of luxuries have gone, this day of danger too will pass. Calm came on his face and he kept standing there. The place where he was standing was full of natural beauty. He never knew that such a beautiful place was also part of his kingdom. The revelation of this message had a great effect on him. He relaxed and for a few moments forgot about those following him. After a few minutes, he realized that the noise of the horses and the enemies coming was receding. I think they moved into some other part of the mountains and were not on that path. The king was very brave. He reorganized his army and fought again. He defeated the enemy and regained his lost empire. When he returned to his empire after victory, he was received with much fanfare at the door. The whole capital was rejoicing in the victory. Everyone was in a festive mood. Flowers were being thrown on the king from every house, from every corner. People were dancing and singing. For a moment, king said to himself, I am one of the bravest and greatest kings, and it is not easy to defeat me. With all the reception and celebration, he saw an ego emerging in him. Suddenly, the diamond of his ring flashed in the sunlight again. He opened it and read it again. This too will pass. He became silent. His face went through a total change. From the egoist, he moved to a state of utter humbleness. If this too is going to pass, it is not yours. The defeat was not yours. The victory is not yours. You are just a watcher. Everything passes by. We are witness to all this. We are the perceiver. Life comes and goes. Happiness comes and goes. And sorrow comes and goes. Now, as you have heard this story, close your eyes. Just sit silently and evaluate your own life. Think of the moments of joy and victory in your life. Think of the moments of sorrow and defeat. Are they permanent? They all come and pass away. Life just passes away. They were friends in the past, they have gone. They are friends today, they too will go. There will be new friends tomorrow and they too will go. They were enemies in the past, they have gone. They may be enemies in the present, they too will go. There will be new enemies tomorrow and they too will go. There is nothing permanent in this world. Everything changes except the law of change. Think over it from your own perspective. You have seen all the changes, you have survived all setbacks, all defeats and all sorrows, all have passed away. If there are problems in the present, they too will pass away, because nothing remains forever. Joy and sorrow are two faces of the same coin. They both will pass away. Who are you in reality? Know your real face. Your face is not your true face. It will change with time. However, there is something in you which will not change. It will remain unchanged. What is that unchangeable? It is nothing but your true self. You are just a witness of change. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my